Welcome to Niche News Program. National News. Maharashtra CM calls for lockdown plan. In view of the sharp rise in the fresh COVID-19 cases, Maharashtra Chief Minister asked officials to prepare a plan for implementation of a lockdown which will have minimum impact on the economy. This was following the recommendation of the state COVID-19 task force. All types of social gatherings are banned in the state. Maharashtra reported 40,414 cases in the highest rise so far in a single day, taking the total cases to 27,13,875. 54,181 people lost their lives so far in Maharashtra because of COVID-19. The government plans to give unique ID for all plots of land by 2022. The centre plans to issue a 14-digit identification number to every plot of land in the country within a year. It will integrate its land records database with revenue court records and bank records as well as Aadhaar number on a voluntary basis. The Department of Land Resources said that the UL PIN scheme has been launched in 10 states presently and it will be done across the country by 2022. Parliament passes National Commission for Allied Healthcare Professions Bill. A bill to set up a commission for regulating and prescribing uniform education standards for allied and healthcare professionals was approved by Parliament. It seeks to provide regulation and maintenance of standards of education and services by allied and healthcare professionals. Anyone over 45 can get COVID vaccination April 1 onwards. In a move to expand coverage of the vaccination program to fight COVID-19 infection, the government announced that anyone above 45 years of age without any requirements can get the shot from April 1. Following the announcement, over 34 crore people are estimated to be eligible for vaccination. Over to regional news. Postal voting for essential services staff and others begin in Thiruvananthapuram. Postal voting by electors in the essential services category began in the district on March 28. The votes are being cast at a special postal voting centres opened in all the 14 assembly segments in the district. The casting of postal ballots by electors above the age of 80, persons with disabilities and COVID-19 positive and quarantined electors also is progressing in the district. Special teams of polling officers are visiting the voters at their residences with the ballots. Kerala is getting ready for the election on April 6th. Thrissur Puram to have usual festivities. The Thrissur Puram will be held with the usual festivities, maintaining the COVID-19 protocol. The Devasams will be responsible for maintaining COVID-19 protocols, including crowd control. UNESCO unveils Kerala students' message on water conservation. Shreya K, studying in Amrita Vidyalayam, Talasheri, is one of the top 3 students in the country whose storyboards were selected as part of the animated campaign Conservation of Water and its Sustainable Use as part of the H2O Waterwise program for school students. The ongoing process of the animation have been unveiled by UNESCO on World Water Day. Over to international news. Global countries condemn the bloodshed in Myanmar. The defense chiefs of 12 countries condemned the Myanmar military's use of the lethal force against civilians. The death toll rose to 423 in the country. 107 people, including 7 children, were killed on March 27. The protest against the central government is continuing in Myanmar. European Union moves towards stricter export controls for COVID-19 vaccine. The European Union is moving towards stricter export controls to ensure more COVID-19 short supplies. The EU's executive body said that more vaccine will be produced and will be available for its own citizens before they can be shipped for exports. Over to entertainment news. Saying cheese for class photos online in pandemic year. Due to the pandemic, most of the students did not get chance to meet their classmates and to take class photos. A studio in Kozhikode has come up with a solution, online photo shoot. Nabida Premkumar, owner of the studio Phototech Color Lab, is the mastermind behind this idea. Her initial plan was to make a collage of individual photos. Then it was changed to taking pictures through online classrooms. Photos were captured in high resolution. A whole class fits in one A4 size paper. Over to sports news. India dominates the ISSF Shooting World Cup with 15 gold medals. India dominates the medal tally with 15 gold medals so far. India has won 9 silver medals and 6 bronze medals too. USA came second with 4 gold medals, 3 silver and a bronze. With this news, we come to the end of Niche News program. The news is being signed by KC Deepak, Degree HI student Niche, along with Ms. Sylvie Maximena, Niche faculty. See you again next week. Thank you.